quiet room at the break of day. A man sits still as his thoughts display. Dreams once drifting like gentle air now begin to gather there. Shapes emerging from his mind, visions forming clear and kind. What he once hoped with uncertain hands now stands before him as it expands. He sees his dreams begin to rise, taking form before his eyes. Inner light becoming real, showing him what his heart can feel. With steady focus, pure and bright, his visions move into the light. Every thought a quiet seed, growing toward the life he needs. Guided by intention strong, leading him where he belongs. He learns that what the mind can see opens doors to what can be, but he must choose with careful grace what visions he allows a place. He sees his dreams begin to rise, taking form before his eyes. Inner light becoming real, showing him what his heart can feel. With steady focus, pure and bright, his visions move into the light. He imagines becomes the path he